love your hair.
Oh, come on. Blue is so much nicer.
No, red is the perfect color.
Oh, please. You know, blue and purple is so nice.
You are perfect.
Okay, stop it. You know that you're so much better.
Hey, bro, today your hair quite nice, huh?
Are you gay? Hey, take photo, ah. Nice.
Okay, higher. Higher. Okay, lean back. Higher. Lean back. Higher. Higher.
Photo.
Hey, photo.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh my god, serious? I need this. JianHao kissed me last night.
Oh my god, is it a good kiss up? I need to know more. Okay, tell me.
Oh, so I kissed Naomi last night.
Kiss only. Why never do more?
Slowly, ah.
Nice.
Hey man, stop being a pussy and start talking to her, man.
Don't be such a dick. Buto kau.
Don't you love that guy, man? He's so great. Wow.
I'll see you soon, okay? Love you.
Love you too. Love you. Oh my god, she's freaking fake. Ugh. Wow, so much money. Very nice. Wow, damn nice. Do you want some? Hey, stop. Do you wash your feet? No? Go to the toilet now. Wash your face, wash your hair, wash your hands, wash your legs. Sterilize your whole body before you come in.
I don't even care why she broke up, man. Like 3.5 years. It's not even that long. What matters now is I'm free, and you know, us single guys, we can go clubbing, man. Find some girls, yeah? Woo!
Why does he want to leave me? Am I not good enough?
Hey, have you seen Naomi lately? I think she unfollowed me. I bet she misses me, right?
Hey, check this guy out. Quite cute, right? He liked my photo, eh? Should I talk to him?
Hey, what are you doing with Gong Gong? Gong Gong, you're so two-faced!